Hi guys, we're going to Bali. Hi guys, so today we are traveling to Bali, Indonesia. So right now we are at Soekarno-Hatta International Airport in Jakarta. So as some of you might know, we are actually based in Jakarta. So we are just going to have a domestic flight. That's why we are using the Terminal 2 and not the Terminal 3, which is the newer and bigger terminal here in Jakarta. So travel time from Jakarta to Bali is roughly around 1 hour and 50 minutes. So para siyang usually from Davao to Manila is almost 2 hours din. So parang ganun din yung travel time through a flight as well.
We're in the place. Can you say hi? Say bye-bye.
So, fun fact lang, Jakarta and Bali are actually in two different time zones. So, yes, you heard it right. Jakarta is +7 and Bali is +8. So, yung time ng Bali and the Philippines are actually the same. So, Jakarta is 1 hour late. So one thing that you have to remember, as of 2024, Bali introduced the tourist levy. So it is a one-time payment, para siyang travel tax din pagdating mo sa Bali, which you have to pay around 150,000 rupiah. So that's roughly around 530 pesos in Philippine pesos. So it's a mandatory parang travel tax that you have to pay. And as far as I know, they're using it for cultural preservation or environmental protection as well. Okay, so tip ko para sa inyo is for you to book an airport transfer service sa Klook ahead of time. So even before you arrive in Indonesia, dapat nakapag-book na kayo ng airport transfer service sa Klook. This is the cheapest option that I found, even compared to booking a Grab car or GoCar sa Gojek app. So Gojek, by the way, is the parang local version ng Grab, although I'm not sure if it's really originally from Indonesia because nagamit din namin siya sa Singapore and sa Malaysia before. So, ang maganda pa, if kay Klook kayo nag-book ng airport transfer service, yung driver nyo is nakakapasok siya up until the arrival hall. I think it's because Klook is an accredited partner of Ngurah Rai International Airport. So, unlike if you book through GrabCar or GoCar, lalabas pa kayo dun sa pick-up point nila bago nyo ma-meet yung driver nyo. So, it's kind of helpful for us kasi we have a baby. So, natulungan pa kami ni Kuya na magbitbit ng luggage namin hanggang dun sa sasakyan, sa parking area. So, by the way, for this specific airport transfer service, we only paid 105,000 rupiah as compared to GrabCar and GoCar kasi tinry ko ding mag-book just for the comparison. Tinry ko ding mag-book paglapag namin sa Bali. Nasa around 150,000 rupiah yung both GrabCar and GoCar. So, meron siyang about 40 to 45,000 rupiah difference sa booking. So, travel time from the airport to our hotel took us about 50 minutes, which is kind of surprising because from airport to Seminyak usually takes more than an hour because of traffic. But this time, I think it's because gabi na rin nang dumating kami, and at the same time, it's the beginning of the Baral season, which means maraming workers from Bali ang umuwi sa kanya-kanyang provinces.
Hi, everyone.
We're here now in the car. We're going to 30 Ludo. That's our first order of business. Coffee. So why are we speaking in English again? Tulugon na ako.
What? Deo? Over.
Sama na to guys, yung vlog guys, Tagalog, Bisaya.
Tagalog, Bisaya.
Record mo Tagalog.
Bahasa. English. Oo, mas awkward na Tagalog kasi hindi natin normal Tagalog. Hindi natin normal. Ano lang tayo?
Although matatas naman tayo mag-Tagalog kasi
Davao Conyo.
lumaki naman tayo sa Bulacan. Pero
Siya lang yung lumaki doon. Ako ay Davao Conyo. Ginainis mo talaga ako. Kainis ang good. Ay, kaluod yun. Hoy, nakita ko ba yung... O, diba lumabas na. Taco Casa. Yan pala yung gusto kong puntahan.
Tilaw. Siguro mag-Tilaw. Para matry. This is their menu, guys. Just in case. Yeah. 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 Kami pa tao.
Hi guys, so we're heading to Nusa Dua to go to our first beach club, Kana. And Leah's asleep right now. Yay! We're so happy she fell asleep right now para hindi siya cranky later on. And we're just gonna have fun in the beach. Bye!
So guys, yun. We are here at Kana Beach Club, Bali. And we booked this through Traveloka for 625,000 rupiah. So, lalagay ko na lang sa screen kung magkano yung conversion niya when it comes to pesos. So, yung inclusion niya is meron kayong 2 complimentary drinks, isang snack platter, and meron siyang 350,000 worth of food and beverage. So, kayo na bahala umorder. Basta yung allocation niya is nasa 350,000 rupiah. So far kami umabot na kami sa 411,000 rupiah. So more than the allocated na siya. So babayaran mo na lang yung sobra nun. And exclusive of the 21% tax pa yun. So hindi pa kasali yung tax doon. Although masarap naman yung food nila. We ordered margarita pizza, pasta, truffle pasta ata yun. And then nachos. And then kasali din pala, like I said earlier, kasali na yung 2 complimentary drinks. So hindi na kami umorder ng drinks. So yung drinks namin basically hindi na siya bawas dun sa 350,000 rupiah. So separate na siya. Dun siya kasali sa 625,000 na binayaran mo through Traveloka. How do you get here? So usually Grab, or you can charter a private car as well. Based sa research ko before we came here, sabi nila is mahirap daw kumuha ng Grab pa uwi. Mahirap daw kumuha ng Grab pa uwi kasi usually yung mga Grab car hindi sila bumabiyahe or nagpipick up ng pasahero from Cana Beach Club kasi Cana Beach Club, by the way, is nasa Nusa Dua siya and medyo malayo na siya from the popular hotels, like yung mga budget hotels like where we are staying right now in Seminyak. So dito usually sa Nusa Dua, dito yung mga luxury hotels like Hilton, Kempinski, Ritz-Carlton. So nandito yung mga talagang malalaking hotels.
So we spent the rest of our afternoon here at Cana Beach Club. So some of you might be asking why Cana. So first reason is that Cana is one of the more peaceful clubs or beach clubs here in Bali. So I know a lot of other beach clubs here in Bali. I've been to some of them when I was still single and didn't have a baby, like Finn's, Potato Head, and they tend to have really loud music, especially in the afternoon. Another reason is that I really wanted to swim at the beach, not just the pool but really at the beach. So you have to take note that some of the beach clubs in Seminyak or Canggu or even Kuta, they do not have direct access to the beach, although they are situated right at the beachfront, but some of them do not have direct access to the beach. So if that's a big deal for you, then you really have to double check. Another reason is that food here is really good. So even before we came here, I have already read a lot of reviews online that food is really good here, and it's not really pricey, so it's just reasonable. So I feel like there's really value for money here at Cana Beach Club. So as I've said earlier, you might read a lot of information online that would tell you na mahirap mag-book ng grab car or go-car from Cana going back to Denpasar. But in our case, the grab car that we were able to book in the morning, inoferan niya kami if we want him to pick us up again in the afternoon. So we just got his number and texted him at around 6:30, and 10 minutes, 20 minutes after that, he already arrived at Cana and picked us up to bring us back to our hotel.
Leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside.
So that's it, guys, for our first vlog. We thank you for coming along with us on the first part of our Bali trip, and we hope to see you on the next one. Peace.